Yes, today we are going to telling you that how we can make our taskbar as a hiding option, auto hide option. See, we don't have any taskbar now. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's taskbar. How we can make it is auto hide up, auto hider, and auto pop up. Go to the personalize and then choose task and start menu. Yes, unclick it, apply, okay. Now see, it will be always open. If you want to make it hide and auto pop up, we can choose it task and start menu. Was only one click on here, one tick on auto hide the taskbar. Apply, okay. Now see, what's that? Ooh, enjoy. Now enjoying with how-to-ans.com and be with us how-to-ans.com that how we can do. Don't worry about how to do.